What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be transporting the R34 to Bradley's house, my brother. We're going to go ahead and start the process on getting these cars, I guess, quote unquote legal. So we're going to go load it up right now, so let's get this thing loaded.
Oh,
I guess one of them dropped. See in the corner?
Oh, did it spill?
All the oil.
Oh. Did you put this new floor in?
Yeah.
It looks good.
Creep up.
Oh wait, hold on. You have to take your bumper off.
Is it cracked? Wait. Are you pulling it or just a bulb? I'm pulling the whole bulb. Just twist the bulb.
All on the new paint.
I just painted this floor, bling. Ah, shucks. I'll see you when I get to your house, cause I cannot get out. Like me, I gotta fit through this window. Gotta fit through that window, bro. You gotta take off your shoes and step on your seat. Sit down on your door. Yeah. Bro, enclosed trailer is not how everybody thinks. Yeah. It sucks.
Yay.
The rear, I route it through the tires. You can route it through the tires. It might be long enough, but wrap them around your intercooler piping. Oh, there's a total strap here. And then pull it. And yeah. Yeah. Wrap it around the whole intercooler.
How is it?
It's tight. I would like to say she's not going anywhere, but I mean, not the greatest. Load is tight. Okay guys, so we just got here. Bradley Skyline and my Skyline are gonna meet for the first time. Go ahead and check and see if it's good.
What is it?
Oh, she stayed there. Yes, you.
You guys have a spoiler? I don't think we have a spoiler, do we?
No, Blaine just put those on.
Okay, there.
She says we like that's both of our cars. I have to climb through the window that I barely fit through. And I was worried too that the oil was gonna fall on top of your hood.
Did he put the...
Okay, coming back.
Okay.
I just don't trust these cables right now.
Oh, okay.
Back there and it springs back.
That's what I was talking about. We need to smash it first so it,
Actually sounds a lot better than
What do you think?
Oh, this is the first time I'm seeing it not at my house. That looks sick.
It does. It looks really
park
nice.
it in this parking lot and take pictures so it looks like we took our cars out. We went driving. We went on. You're scraping your exhaust. So crooked, bro. You park so crooked. Nice. Did you have juice? You put juice? The airline pulled out of this corner. So I had to air it all up because the road is like this over there, so it's like. Oh, mine's is a lot darker actually. Yeah, come on, here's side by side.
You can see the purple in it.
Yeah, I like my color. Are you sure? I like my color a lot more than your color. I like mine a lot more than yours. Mine's way nicer. Oh, my wheels are brand new. Look, I still gotta take off the plastic.
For real? That's how brand new they are?
That's all brand new. See? Don't even come off.
Or is this the clear coat?
It wants to be new. Even the back one over there has to come off.
Oh.
Yeah, I've been meaning to peel it every time I look at it.
Now they're not brand new no more.
That one is brand new. Look, this one will come off right here.
No, that one's ready to come off.
Brand new.
Breaking the new wheels? Did they go back in?
Right there. You have push to lock? Yeah, but this was the one that I was kind of like unsure if it went in because I had to put it in. We gotta record the gotta support the channel, so buy new BBDs. I like these BBDs. Baby Breeze. I like these. Probably drive it.
Okay.
And what? What is that? Oh, you want me to? Yeah, when you drive it. 1, 2. Yeah. This car feels fast, yeah. Tell me not. This car feels freaking fast, man. But it, yeah, it's kind of sketchy. That was actually. Yeah. Quick. Tell me not. It feels kind of. Yours was faster than mine. Yeah. Bruh. Well, bro, it was me, yeah. Maybe I don't know if it was your tires or what, but could be. It was freaking spinning just now in first. Yeah, but it feels pretty solid, yeah? Tell me not. Like, it kind of catches you off guard at first. It's mad right there. Yeah? Oh, bro. This car feels fast, yeah? Tell me not. This car feels freaking fast, yeah. Dang, this car is fast. Yeah, it is, yeah. It trips me out. I gotta go jump mine's dead right now, but I'm gonna turn mine on and freaking just race. Yeah, and then we'll feel the difference to see if it's really different. Yeah, tell me that. Mine real quick. Wanna drive it, Pip? Up and down real quick. Just be careful because it's squirrely.
Oh, okay. Like right after it boosts, just let it off.
You're gonna feel it. Just don't try to correct it. Just let it do its thing, but.
This one gotta wear seatbelt because it's fast. I drive mine a little. Because I have 18s on here and then you have 17s.
No, it's because he's still in neutral, that's why.
Faster because it still feels fast, but I think I have a more aggressive clutch or something in mine.
So who got the better one?
Probably me. Probably I have the better one. Yeah. So the reason why it has a little bit purple is because it's for girls. Yeah. And then I heard Who Run the World? No, that's the badge that's supposed to be on my clutch.
Are you gonna get that badge?
You probably can't because this is like the last one. So they sold out forever. They closed forever. And I have the limited edition interior, so you know it's like bus stop seats. My seats has all patterns on it.
Not the regular, just gray.
I don't even know what nobody creative worked on the interior of this. I wanted those seats instead.
If you compare like modified to stock, it looks like way different, you know? Yeah, it looks like that.
It's just that I don't think it's called modifying if you cut your springs.
Oh, that's why it's stock. That's why yours is stock. Yeah, you know, like when you look at that car, it's like, yeah, my grandma still owns that car. Yeah. And then you look at this and you're like, oh, that's so sick. Like, okay, here. So this is Bradley's one, if everybody doesn't know. But Bradley's one is pretty much the same as mine, but his is a little bit different. Silver. Mine's more like a silver. Yours is more like a gray. Yeah.
Mine is like a moss.
Yeah, like a. It has like a tinge of like bronze.
I didn't know mine was this dark. Now that it's next to the silver. But I feel like this silver matches. Mine matches more with the black wheels.
Yeah, I think so. I know, I kind of like the look of the RPF ones, but I don't know if it's because it's silver. But I don't like it that it's so small, the wheel. Check out Bradley's 350Z. So we both have Z's. Our Bailey has a Z now, but Bradley has a black Z, and then my old Z's black. But I never thought about this, but the stagger looks nice. 18 and 19 stagger. This tree leaves a whole bunch of sap all over this tree. Yeah, but the car looks really good.
I also got Becca some parts.
Dang, Becca, you so special.
Yeah, and the requirement of you being able to come over was that you have to help out with my porch swing.
No, I need hamburger first.
Oh shit, that's true.
Yeah, see? Oh yeah, thank you.
We gotta go install the porch swing. Let's go do that real quick.
How do we do that? Where is it?
It's really easy. You just
put it in your
video.
video. Put it in your video.
Okay, we're putting it in a video. Auntie B said,
Oh, we're in the video.
you guys are in the video. Okay, I'll film.
Did you guys decide where you're gonna hang it from?
Well, yeah, I mean, we're gonna try it right now.
Damn! That's a strong house. Can't see you guys get on.
We gotta go forward. Yes, sir. Should we drop it down a bit?
Oh.
We're working as a team. So what do you think that one is?
I don't know, man. I feel like the... Okay, no, this is gonna be for the 350 watch.
That right there?
This is probably for the 350.
Uppers for the 350?
Yeah.
Lowers, uppers for Skyline, and then the uppers for the 350Z?
Yeah. Because I already have the lower.
The lowers, yeah.
Yeah. Is it the same? R33?
R33 and R34 is the same.
Right,
so this is 34.
I'm just gonna wind them all the way in and fucking
Awesome,
man.
Got people riding horses out here in the country.
YouTube.
Oh, the Z uppers.
The Z uppers. Nice.
Are they that much bigger?
They look thick.
Okay, so these have the new thing because the Z lowers have these also on the range.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for on top of those.
Yeah, the other ones I guess is just
the tension rods I just got have the new ones.
These also I'm gonna leave it wind in all the way, like
maximum.
Yeah,
maximum.
That's cool.
So that means those are the lowers and all that.
I wonder.
Ooh.
I wonder.
Ooh. Yeah, this is the lowers. I want to see this. Oh, this is the whole lower. So
yeah, it replaces all that.
Jeez.
It's the 10.
Champion this one, yeah?
Yeah.
Yee. All right, we have to take a break. It's dinner time. I think we're pretty much going to be done for the day after this. And then we got some Five Guys burgers and fries. I don't really eat Five Guys. It's kind of expensive, but it was Brad and Becca's treat tonight, so can't really complain. Check out these two Skylines, you guys. Me and Bradley was talking about this for a long time, and now we finally got Skylines of our own, and now they're parked next to each other. It's kind of surreal.